Essay on Make in India. Childhood memories are engraved in our mind, heart, and soul. Some lines stay there forever, and one was Made in India. Usually, on most of our things, we had this line printed, and then comes a time when we grew up. We then got colored in the culture of malls and international brands, and then made in UK, made in USA, and certain international brands superseded made in India. The youth today are flamboyant and like to show off the tags of international brands on their shirts, jeans, and jackets, and on every small thing they buy or use. Suddenly, on 25th September 2014, the manufacturing sector of India was taken by storm when our PM Narendra Modi launched the Make in India program. The Make in India has not only its stance changed, but also the attitude. The initiative Make in India emphasizes to transform India into a global manufacturing hub. It is a powerful galvanizing call to business leaders of the world to come and invest in India. The slogan is an inspiring call to all global business leaders by the Government of India with a promise to facilitate the growth of the companies they bring into India. The logo of Make in India, a lion made of gear wheels reflecting the government's vision of manufacturing India. The initiative is based on four pillars: new processes that would replace outdated policies, decade-old long procedures, and red tapeism. New infrastructure that will comprise smart cities with state-of-the-art technology, identification of new sector to attract FDI in them, and a new mindset where the government won't be a regulator but rather a facilitator to woo global manufacturing giants to invest in India. Make in India is the single largest manufacturing initiative undertaken by a nation in recent history. It has been built by a collaborative effort. The Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion initiated this process by inviting participants from union ministries, secretaries, and various knowledge partners. Various sectors have been opened up for investment, and sectors like defense, railways, and space has also been opened for FDI. Make in India has to be a movement rather than an initiative to be successful in a policy-ridden country. It has to be a beyond full-page colored advertisements. It must be informative and must inspire and infuse confidence in the business world, inspiring them to become potential partners of the Indian business communities and reforms. Make in India till now has been lauded by the manufacturing world. The government within a short span of time has replaced obsolete obstructive framework of the past and has replaced it with user-friendly system to drive investment and increase in FDI. Till March 2016, 44% increase in FDI equity inflows was seen. The rise in FDI points towards stronger investors' interest in India on the back of robust economic growth. Higher inflows also suggest that the government's liberal policies are bearing fruits. Today, India's credibility is stronger than ever. There is a visible enthusiasm, momentum, energy, and ranging to go attitude in the business world. India has opened its investment doors, and world's largest democracy is well on its way to become world's most powerful economy. The successful implementation of this plan will help in the 100 Smart Cities project and affordable housing in India. The main objective is to ensure solid growth and valuable employment creation in the country with the help of top investors. It will benefit both parties, the investors and our country. The Government of India has created a dedicated help team and an online portal, that is makeinindia.com, for the easy and effective communication of investors. A dedicated cell is committed to answer all the queries from business entities anytime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.